Okay, so it gives this whitish, yellow undertone, especially when you mix it. It's very active, very nice product that you can use. Okay, so these are the products I will be reviewing today. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rebs Okubo and you are so welcome. If this is your first time tuning in on this channel, thank you so very much for clicking on this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for coming back again. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about different whitening face creams that you can use for your skin. Yes, these ones have been specially selected for people with sensitive skin. Okay, so it's not like you can't use it for people with tough skin. People with tough skin can actually use it, but they just need to premix it. Okay, so I have no idea why people are not talking about this particular face creams that I have selected, but I'm going to be sharing them with you today. So if this is what you are looking for on this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, put a notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so like and share this video. That's the only way you can support your girl. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump right into the topic for today. Okay, so the first one on my list is the Bizmate whitening face cream. This particular cream is very good. I'm going to be leaving the picture on this. That's what it looks like. Yes, that's what it looks like. It's very good. I've actually not used this cream, but I have a lot of people who have actually used this cream and the review is superb. This particular cream is very good for people with normal to dry skin. If you have sensitive skin, this particular one is very good. You can premix it. If you don't want to use it like that, you can premix it. The only issue with this particular cream is the fact that it is on the expensive side. Okay, it is quite expensive, pricey, but it works perfectly. Feel free to check out this particular Bizmate face cream. It is superb. You can use it. It softens your skin. It gives you this glowy, clean, glowy look. It brightens up your skin. It is very good. Okay, so you can definitely go for this Bizmate whitening. So the next one on my list is skin free facial cream. This particular cream is just amazing. Okay, and the smell is amazing. All right, this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It is super amazing, but the only issue with this particular cream is the fact that it has a lot of fake in the market. You need to be very careful when you are purchasing this particular cream. It has a seal, a golden seal that seals it up, just like it is in the picture. So you need to look out to make sure that that particular seal is there, so that you know that you are actually purchasing the original one. Okay, so I'm going to be putting the picture of the fake one, so when you go to the market you know what you are purchasing. Okay, so that's the picture of the fake one and this is the original one. Okay, so when you go to the market you know what you are purchasing, right? And another thing about this cream also is the fact that it is pricey, just like Bizmate face cream I talked about. It is so pricey. I think it's going for like 4,000 naira or 5,000 naira thereabout, depending on the location where you are. Okay, so those are the things about this particular cream. It is very good for people with sensitive skin. Yes, it is superb. It gives you this glowy whitish bright color. You love your skin when you use this particular face cream. I am not a fan of people who use their body cream on their face. It gives a lot of issues when you do that. That's because the pH level of your body is very different from the pH level of your face. Okay, so you do not have to go using the cream for your body on your face. Okay, it's definitely going to react on your face. So these creams I have mentioned are very good for people who have sensitive skin. You can actually use it without premixing it. Okay, you can use it just like that and it will give you a very effective result before 7 days. Yes, before 7 days. And on the cream it says after 7 days. Before 7 days for people with sensitive skin, a bit more for people with tough skin. Okay, so that's that for this particular cream. Okay, so moving on to the next cream, we also have La 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 face cream. This is what it looks like. it is an amazing cream. Okay, I love the consistency, I love the feel of this particular cream. It's not much. If you open the container, you can see that it's not much, it's very little. The color is somewhat around the greenish, kind of lemon greenish color. It's really nice. If you have used La 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 cream, you will know how beautiful this particular cream is. I would also like to hear some comments about this La 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 face cream, because I have used it and it's very nice. You can actually leave your review on this particular cream just in the comment section. Let's know your thoughts about this particular La 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 face cream. Okay, so I'm so sorry about the background noise. If you're hearing this background noise, the children are home today. Okay, so I'm so sorry about their noise, but just just continue like everything is fine. Okay, so the next one on my list is Extreme White face cream. This particular face cream is really good. It is good for people with tough skin. You can actually pro-mix this particular one. If you don't want to use it just like that, you can pro-mix it. It's really nice. Okay, so it gives this whitish, yellow undertone, especially when you pro-mix it. It's very active, very nice product that you can use. Okay, so these are the products I will be reviewing today. Okay, so if this topic was educative, kindly like and share this video, put on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video, and please subscribe to this channel. It is absolutely free of charge. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.